You better get ready for a big surprise. You know it's almost, but it's only the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any other sexual tongue. More margarita for my cute senorita. Triple the tequila just to hide up the flavor. Cheating down on my JMB while checking out the parts on my date's anatomy. Forget the brains, forget the personality, but I'm after easier effect and make gravity like Trinity. Flying high with her kicks and I control the game with the heavy duty. You better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost, but it's only the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any other music. Flip the tip as we skip the next trip, flashing some trash and some going for the chips, moving in a freaking state. Everything we need. A big bag money, a bigger bag of weed, and we try to impress as we start us to press. We need to get this, you better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, but it's only the rise. Mental message by visual contact, louder than any another section. I got to keep, but it's been shit on the microphone, so. My name is Vinci and I am good. I love pretty girls and I love to eat. I made this rap from my mind and I am very, very kind. I like to drive past in a fancy car and chick digs me like chocolate bars. You say I'm bad, but I am good, so shut up now and eat some food. So ano bang problema mo? Ayusin mo naman, lagyan mo naman ng tono para kang nangangatiran. Ano bang inaatupag mo sa bagong mo apartment? Sikat wala ka pa rin bang talent? So ano bang sinasabi mo? Mali ang sinasabi mo. Magaling akong kumanta. Alam mo ba yung pizza pie? Kung sa bagay, mahusay nga naman yung pizza pie. Gamit ang boss mong pamatay, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang kanta. Diba kahit ikaw ang gumawa, alam naman natin sa kayo ako yung kumanta. So naman please lang huwag ka nang magyabang at alam mo naman na pang backup ka lang at ilan na ba ang talagang nagawa mong kanta? Eh ano ngayon, alam naman natin lahat na si Vince naman talaga dapat ang vocalist ng parokya band ng parokya ni Edgar. Teka lang, 1 minute, pwede bang pakiulit? Maaaring may lamang ka sa paligid. So bakit mo naman nasabi na ikaw ang nararapat? Eh ni isang kanta man lang wala kang naisulat. Eh ba't naman kahit di silang kumata? Tulad ko at ni Kino at ni Benedict Aquino na wala naman yata masisikat pa kahit na sino. Ewan ko, sandali. Huwag kang kung ayaw mo masipa sa mukha ng malupit, baka makatikim ka lang sa swela, di ka mauna si Listo El Legado sa gilid ng dito. Tatawa na ba ako? Di porket Koreano ka magaling ka mag-taekwondo, kung mag-aangas sa lalaki may babas. Kami yung mga tipo na hindi umaatras. Trying hard.